suffix is a set of letters in the end of a word to change its meaning or grammatical function. Suffixes can turn words into nouns, adjectives, verbs, or adverbs and help create new words from base forms.
ICALLY is not an independent suffix, but it is a combination of two suffixes, "ic," which forms adjectives, e.g., classic, electric, poetic; "ally," which often added to "ic" adjectives to form adverbs, e.g., classically, electrically, poetically. Even though ly is the usual adverb suffix, when added to words ending in ic, an extra r al is inserted before the ly, except for a few words like publicly. So, while ICALLY appears at the end of many words, it is not a single suffix by itself. It results from the addition of "ic" and "ally." ICALLY.
I will give you some words. Try spelling each one of them using the pictures as guides or the phonetic symbols if you can. At the end, I will reveal the correct spellings.
Artistically. Artistically. Critically. Critically. Logically. Logically. Quizzically. Quizzically. Basically. Basically. Vertically. Vertically. Historically. Historically. Politically. Politically. Romantically. Romantically. Technically. Technically. Typically. Typically.
Chaotically. Chaotically. alphabetically, alphabetically,
traumatically, traumatically, majestically, majestically,
rhythmically, rhythmically, sarcastically, sarcastically, catastrophically, catastrophically. End of spelling test.